See that door switch? I already took it out. Look how easy this is to replace. So, let's grab our handy dandy wonderful tool, and we're gonna go right between this little crack. I'll show you. Whoops. Nope, you wanna unlock. Come listen to my podcast. So we still know what works, right? So right here, you wanna get up under. You see? Now it's something a little less sharp, like this, or if you want to use your fingers, you see, that's all it is. Now, I'm sure it's not going to come with the trim, so let's pop this out. It's literally these guys, and then one screw, I bet. So let's get this thing out. So I'm assuming that is the part number, and yes, you had to remove both T15s, I think they are. What is this thing? T20. And these little clips right here, it's actually quite easy. Once you get the T20s out, it's actually quite easy. You see these little grooves right here, lock it into right here. This little, this right, index finger right there. Just something like this. You can go right in between the two. And there you go. And then pop right out of the trim. Get another one. Obviously you're going to unplug it. Not hard. And there you have it. Now that we have it completely in our hand, again, squeeze, pull, and squeeze and pull. Not hard. So let's snap it back into the trim. Show you what I'm talking about. All you do is just snap. You see? That's it. So, obviously it torques, put it back, plug it back in, snap it back in. You see? There you go. It's that easy. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.